What's her, Mommy?
Okay, thank you.
Mommy, what's her water?
What about my cup?
Yes. Thank you. All gone.
All gone. Here, why don't we pour this one back in? Make it start again.
I drink a Mommy cup.
You're gonna drink Mommy's cup? Ew. You got boogies. We need a tissue, huh? Okay, let's do some things. Why don't you stick out your tongue? Good. And now why don't you make a face like a monkey? Oh, is that what a monkey looks like? Okay, you smiling like a cheese. Cheese.
I pour it.
Can you cover your ears? Cover your ears. First you pour a little milk, pour some milk, then you pour a little cream, pour some cream, then you mix it all together and you stir it as you sing.
That's my spoon, Mommy.
I know that's your spoon. I was stirring your tea.
More water, Mommy.
Okay.